Hi, how many of you all hate the term diet? Okay, you hate the word diet, you don't want to diet, and as soon as someone says that you have to diet, mental block. How many of you guys feel that? Okay, so the term diet is just given way too much importance. Okay, why? It is not the diet, it is your lifestyle. It's not the diet. Okay, it's not the diet alone, it is your lifestyle. Okay, so every time when someone tells you, you should go on a diet, yeah, you should lose weight, you should diet, that is being told so many times that just word is registered in your brain, in your mind, in your subconscious mind with a negative effect. Okay, so how can you change that? How can you change the fact that the word diet kind of demotivates you? Okay, very simple. There is no such thing as a perfect, like a perfect diet. Okay, because there are going to be days, there's going to be ups, there are going to be downs, but what is sustainable is a healthy lifestyle with a good nutritional plan in place. The key is nutrition. Okay, the key word is nutrition, not diet. Okay, so you need to be on a good nutrition plan. Okay, do not go in for something which is totally averse to what you're having now. Okay, which is totally opposite to your routine. For example, if someone tells you, do like an extreme no carb diet, or stop all of this and stop all of that, it's not about stopping. Okay, because the minute you associate these kind of terms, you need to stop doing this, you cannot do this, immediately the mind gets a mental block. And why does a mental block happen? Because don't, can't, they're all negative words. Okay, because they are negative words, so then the body or the mind, the subconscious mind, that is also going to stop you from doing that. Because you're being told, I cannot have this, suddenly you really feel like having that. If you're like, don't have carbs, suddenly everything seems very, very attractive in carbs, right? So your terminology or the words that are being used, you need to reframe it. Sometimes it's all in the mind. A good nutritional plan is also to do with the mind. Okay, if the mind is going to be like, you cannot have this, or if you're told you cannot do this, automatically you get a craving for that. What's the solution? What you need to tell yourself is that I am doing this for replenishing each and every cell in my body. I am doing this for myself. I am doing this for my health. I am doing this because I love myself. See the difference? If you're being told, I cannot do this, I cannot eat that, and I am doing this because I love myself. I am doing this because I want to rejuvenate each and every cell in my body. See how powerful that sounds? Like even when I'm speaking, I'm feeling like, yes, I can do this. Right? So you need to play around a bit with the mind, okay? Because everyone's been on this particular path, because everyone's going on this particular path. So you're also going on this particular path, but you don't have to. You can do what works best for you. So for example, the past month for me and my kids, my husband, so 4 of us have been on a complete off packaged food, off even dark chocolates, of everything possible. And all 4 of us are doing this, and we did the whole month thing pretty well. And when I talk about everything, I also talk about your breads or your anything, maybe like not like, we don't really do chips and stuff, but it would be more like if you have something just lying around kind of thing, or we do have a lot of dark chocolates around. So we gave up on everything, full month. And do you plan to pull it off? Because it was more like, what guys, it's not like don't eat this, don't eat that, don't know. It's more like we at this point need this for ourselves. We owe it for ourselves. So let's just see what we can do. Let's just go with the flow. We will try for a month and we will see. and we tried for a full month. And special credit to my younger one, she's like 10 years old, and you know, she was pretty okay with it. And this is our second month. We're like, okay, you know what, we did 1 month really well, so let's try another month. So it's all about, it's not about, like, you know, it doesn't require so much of an effort to, you know, pre-plan, you know, like, okay, and look across that I'm not going to do this for 1 month. No, it's more like, let's just go with the flow. Let's just try. You know, don't be too harsh on yourself. Let's just try this and it will work. Because every day you're talking to yourself using powerful words. Nutritional plan is powerful. Nutrition for the body, it's powerful. You know, positivity in the mind, it's powerful. There was so much power around, you can't go wrong, right? Oh, wrong, right? Yeah. Okay, so you know, stick with something and kind of work at reprogramming your mind, okay? Because eventually, I always say, it all starts in the mind. You know, whatever you have to do, it starts in the mind. If your mind is with you, you will achieve it. Right? So that's more about how you're gonna, like, you know, base it out and how you're going to work towards it. Okay, working towards your goals, going with the flow, you know, pre-planning a bit when it comes to meal plans for the next day. That's important, because what happens is, most of the time when you're not pre-planning, whatever is in front of you, you know, you just tend to eat it. Why? Because there's nothing planned. So you need to pre-plan, and it's a very good discipline for yourself that you can set, and always talk to yourself about positivity. So someone offers you, you know, like a packet of chips, or, you know, someone offers something that, you know, you're like, no, I just, you know, I don't eat that. There is a difference between saying I can't eat that and I don't eat that. Right? If I can't eat that, it's more like, oh, I can't eat that, you know, I want to, but I can't. Okay? But when you say I don't eat that, I don't eat that. I know it's not good for me. I don't eat that. You know, try all of these small things next time when you see, even you come across the situations like these and everything, you know, so you will have that more power and firmness in you to stick to your nutrition plan. And you will see results. I mean, like, we've had so many women, so many members over here who've actually, like, seen amazing transformations, and it's only possible with a positive mindset, with, like, pre-planning your meals, with being consistent, with being committed, you know, and that works. And it not only works when it comes to your physical self, it also works when it comes to your mental self, right? So you're improving two of your characteristics, or two zones in you, which is your physical and your mental. Okay, so it's really important. I want you guys to try it. Please comment what you thought of this, or, you know, did it give you a deeper meaning, or did you understand it in a deeper way? Please comment on this. Like, share, subscribe. Let's spread the word, and let's make this world a better place. Thank you for watching.